Well, this is an increment core, and what it does is it cuts a little dowel of wood out of the tree. So you use this to drill into the tree, and when you pull it out, you can look at the growth rings, and you can see the growth over time. And what you're trying to do with this is you're trying to go all the way from the outside of the tree and hit the pith of the tree.
Cutting edge at all costs.
Right. And this cutting edge is supposed to be very, very sharp. And you never want to touch any metal to this because what it'll do is end up twisting the core, and you won't get a good quality core. And it's really hard to sharpen too.
Sure. So you ruin it.
Right. And you got to be. And this is called the extractor. And once you bore into the tree, you push your extractor in, and you can pull out the core, and then you can look at the rings.
All right.
And the hardest part is getting it started. If the borer is sharp, we'll start going
If it's
in.
sharp, it will just pull its way right in there.
Yeah, so, and then you want to aim for the center, obviously, because you're shooting for the pith. Kind of push this down because it's going to slide under the core.
You can feel it. You can feel it when it goes underneath it.
Push it almost all the way in. Back it off a single turn,
right,
so that it's upright, and then you just pull it out.
Oh wow!
And there's your core.
And there you have.
And look, he hit the pith right there.
Pretty close.
Yep.
And one wing off. So let's count this.
1, 2.
Yeah, so essentially 50. Yeah.
How tall? What's the average height?
So it's right at the index age. This is a hard question. What is the site index here?
This tree is 67 feet tall.
Right. So site index is 67.
It slowed way down, and then it took off right there about 10 years ago. So that's when the previous harvest was in here, all these older stumps. So they thinned through this, and trees are already responding by 2 inches.
Right. 10 years.
Remember, it's twice this. See how the sapwood is translucent?
Yep.
You can see right through it. That's the active sapwood, and we've got some of our research. You can cut these down, and then you can figure out the circular area of that sapwood, like a giant ring. That's highly related to the leaf area in the tree because it's what's conducting the water. So age 49.
Yep.
Did you write that down?
Yep, I got it.
That's the breast height age, though. So if we're going to do a total age site index, we do have to add to that.
Right.
Right. So we're a little bit beyond the index age.
Right. That's true.
So that's not 67. Is not a super high site index for pine.
No.
Site index is the height of the most dominant trees at age 50. It's a measure we use for the sort of the productivity of the land.
Right.
Site index. Let's bore another one here.
It's fun.
That's going to be over here.
If you want to do tree 3, that's the biggest one on the plot.
It's so hard to see, isn't it? Huh.
We'll go now.
Now we got wet wood everywhere. Let me. Oh, okay. So here you can see the ring angles going like this. I bet the center was you're just like 1 ring short. So you probably can count that. 2.
And how far are you going in?
Well, you got to go all the way to the pith. So half.
10, 5, 6, 7, 47. So, and maybe a couple. So yeah, they're almost identical to the other one.
Put it in here and kind of.
I noticed the same thing with their release. Where we
Look
see
at
the
that.
denser
Look at these
rings.
wide rings right there. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely responding, and it's. Yeah, see the narrow rings and then the increase from the past harvest, and then
I noticed they also get lighter here. Is that because it's sort of like spread out over the growth?
I think that's just because it's a sapwood. I don't think it's anything more to that.